In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Robinhood to Tradingview. First, a quick reality check so we start on the right foot. Direct. Native integration between these two platforms isn't supported. That means you can't click a button in Tradingview and place a live order on Robinhood right from the chart. Instead, what you can do is bridge them using automation. There are two common paths people use: third-party tools that translate Tradingview alerts into Robinhood orders, or community-built Python scripts. Let's talk about the automation tools first. Services like TradersPost or AutoView essentially listen for your Tradingview alerts and then route those alerts into an order on Robinhood. Think of them as interpreters. You define clear alerts in Tradingview, such as when price crosses a level or an indicator triggers, and the tool turns that alert into a matching buy or sell. The key to making this work reliably is how you design your alerts and how you map those alert messages to order details. Be explicit about the ticker, side, order type, quantity, and any special conditions like time and force. The clearer the alert, the fewer surprises when it converts to a live order. It's also smart to validate your mappings with small test orders and keep detailed logs or notifications enabled, so you can confirm that each alert is received and executed as expected. Now, if you are comfortable with code, here is another route using community-developed Python libraries such as Robin stocks. With this approach, Tradingview still generates alerts, but you handle the execution yourself in a script. Your script listens for those alerts, often via webhooks, and then calls the functions that submit orders to Robinhood. This path gives you fine-grained control and flexibility, but it also means you are responsible for handling authentication securely, respecting rate limits, and building in error handling and retries. If you go this way, take time to read the library's documentation. Keep your credentials protected and test thoroughly before relying on it.